So guys, I'm back again. Last time what we have learned arithmetic progression, right? In that we have learned 3.1 practice sets. So today we are going to learn 3.2. But before starting this 3.2 question answers, I would like to tell you nth term of an AP, right? Last time I told you how you can easily find out the following sequence is in AP or not, and how to find out first term, then common differences and all, right? But suppose you have a sequences number, for example, just wait, okay? I'll just start. See, this is 3.2, but before starting this, no, I would like to know, suppose you have sequence like 5, then 8, 11, and then 14, okay? And as you can see that the difference between these consecutive terms is 3, right? Is 3. So we can easily say that it is an AP. And suppose you have this differences, you can just add on that 3 with the number and you'll get the next term. For example you have 5, then you can just add, you'll get the second term, that is 8. Can you see over here? Then again just 8, just add again 3, you will get the next term. And then again 11 plus 3, it will be 14, right? And so on, you can easily calculate. But can you think in this way, reaching up to 100th term, you'll have to find out 100th term. How many terms? 100, right? Okay, but in this way reaching up to 100 term will be very time consuming, right? इसमें बहुत टाइम लगेगा. सो ऑब्वियस है 100 नंबर्स तक आपको पूरा कंप्लीट करना है, तो उसके लिए आपको कितना, यू विल बी हैविंग सो मच टाइम, इट इज़ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव अनदर फार्मूला, दैट इज यू कैन से दैट टी ऑफ एन nth टर्म ऑफ एन ए पी. nth टर्म मीन्स वॉट एवर द नंबर दे हैव गिवन, जितने टर्म तक नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है वो पर्टिकुलर नंबर हम लोग को उस फॉर्मूले में सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, एंड देन विल गेट द आंसर. So I'll just tell you the formula. The formula is T of n is equals to A plus in bracket n minus 1 and then D. Okay, here this is your nth term, you can say whatever the number I have given. This is your starting term, then n will be the number and D is your common difference. Clear? So this formula we'll have to use in 3 points. So let's get start with the practice set 3.2. The first question is write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. Okay, the first question is what the sequence they have given. Just a minute. Okay, 1 they have given, and then 8, 15, and then 22. Okay, we'll have to fill these boxes. Now first of all they have given A, right? I told you A and T of 1 both are the starting term only. So here in the boxes, here 1 and here also 1 will be there. Then T2 means second term, so 8, right? And then T of 3 will be your third term, that is 15, right? Now in the second one, T of 2 minus T of 1, just subtract it. T of 2 is your 8 and then T of 1 is equals to 7. So you will get over here 7. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे आप, 8 and then minus 1, you will getting 7. Again just T3 15 minus 8, again 7. So you are having common difference 7. Is it clear to you all? And this likewise you'll have to solve the second, third and fourth one also. I think this easy now, right? Same thing I have done in the 3.1 also, right? So there is no any new concept in these questions. Now we'll solve the second one. In that they have told decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the following progressions. Okay, now in this question what they have told, they have given sequences. In that sequences we'll have to find out first of all the sequences is in AP or not. If it is in AP, अगर वो AP में है तो हम लोग को 20th term find out करना है. Okay, this is the questions. So how we can find out this it is in AP? Just see the common differences. If you are having common differences equal, that means constant, so it is in AP, right? So the first term is minus 12, then minus 5, 2, 9, 16, and sorry, and then just find out D will be your T of 2 minus T of 1, right? So T of 2 is your minus 5, then this minus, and then minus 12. Now how much you are getting? Minus 5 and this plus 12, that is equals to 7, right? Similarly for this T3, T of 3 minus T2, how much you are getting? Here they have given 21. So 21, sorry, this is 21, right? It's 2, sorry, it is 2, 2, then minus 5, right? This minus will become plus, so you will get 2 plus 5, that is 7. Again you are getting the same, that means it is constant. So your sequence are in AP, right? ये फाइंड आउट हो गया. अभी हम लोग को 20th टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है. सी आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर कैसे हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे. द फॉर्मूला वी हैव T ऑफ n, क्योंकि 20th टर्म तक हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है. 20th टर्म मीन्स व्हाट? सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज 12 minus 5 and then 2, then 9, and then 16, 23, and then 30, right? This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth, sixth, seventh, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this 20th term we'll have to find out. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग प्लस प्लस हर एक नंबर में 7 प्लस ऐड करेंगे तो हम लोग को तो ऐसे आंसर मिल जाएगा, बट इट विल बी योर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. सो बेटर है विल यूज़ द फार्मूला दैट इज T ऑफ n वाला फार्मूला. ओके, so I'll tell you how to use. So just write by using the nth term formula, that is T of n is equals to A plus n minus 1 and then D, right? So what we have to find? 20th term. So here you'll have to write T of 20th term is equals to A. So what is A over here? Minus 12, right? And then n, instead of n what we have to write? This value, right? 20 minus 1 and D, that is 7, right? Now solve it. Minus 12, 20 minus 1 will be 19 into 7, right? 19 minus minus 12, then 19 into 7. Okay, and then just solve it. How much? 19 into 7, how much? 133. And then you'll have to subtract this, because this is in minus and this is in plus. So just subtract how much you are getting over here. See, 2 and then this 3 will get cancelled, that is 1 you are getting, and then 2 and 1. So 121 is your answer. So the term will be 20th term में कितना value रहेगा? 121. Okay, this is the way you can just calculate the any term. यहाँ पे जैसे 20 दिया है, you can just calculate 30th, 40th, 50th, whatever terms you want to calculate. You can just use this T of n formula and you can easily sort it out. Okay.